So this is Dan, about to jump off this boat, swim, get on that island. Alright?
This is gonna be cool.
Alright, good. You can't jump off that seat, it'll break the seat. Adrenaline rush.
A little bit.
This kid's an adrenaline junkie after he jumped off that bridge right there.
Alright, ready?
There you are. There he goes. What a perfectionist dive. I would give that a 10 if I were an Olympic raider.
It's cold.
He says it's cold. He probably is. He's making his way. Michael Phelps. Swimming. He might as well just swim right through the island. He's going so fast. He is a pro. Force to be reckoned with. More than Darth Vader or Charizard or something like that. He says he can stand here now. That's yeah, see, if I drove my boat out there, it'd be bad. It's too shallow. And not to mention that kelp. Yeah. It's like a bird reserve, you know. You get some pretty famous birds in there, like your Pidgeys, Pidgeotos, Pidgeots, Fearos, and Spearos. You even have some Staraptors, too. You know, all the good birds. Yeah, legend has it, fossil bird. Aerodactyl. No big deal. Caught one of those. You know, kind of the man. Right, now he's on the island. You can barely probably see him, he's walking over near that sign. Get up onto this rock, because he's a dumbass rock made of seaweed. You know, he's gonna slip or something. Yeah. You know, this water is some pretty rich water. It's home to some good stuff. Your Horsies, your Seadras, and Kingdras, you know, Sea King, Corsolas, you know how I told you there's that Aerodactyl? There's also a legend that there's a fossil of an Omastar down at the bottom. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah. Now he's gotta watch out so he doesn't step on a Kingler. Big claw, one big claw. Snap your foot, that'll hurt. Might need to go over to Nurse Joy and Chansey. Free healthcare. They'll make you all better though. Wonder if they never have a Blissey. Blissey's more effective. Healing. Got more health. I guess. Oh, now he's swimming back. Look at this guy. Look at this guy swim. He's like a Kyogre is what he is. He is moving fast. It's cold, but it's not that bad. Yeah. Alright. So there's Dan. Just swam and experienced the Kanto region. Alright. Gotta catch them all.